Isabella. Welcome back to my channel. I know this is different. This isn't normal. Bear with me, please. I am actually out of town and I'm filming this video before we go eat because I wanted to film this video while I was out of town. So yeah, definitely got tan today at the beach. Oh my gosh, what is this hair doing? In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a what I travel with makeup. I did this video like last year, I think, or maybe it was like in September, but I thought I would do an updated one. I'm always curious to see what people take like when they travel in their makeup bag and tools and stuff. So I'm not gonna go over each thing, but I'm gonna do like a span of everything and kind of talk about like my favorites and things like that, like things I can count on. But yeah, if you guys want to see the previous video, it'll be linked down below in the description box. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell if you are brand new. Also join the Goria gang, like this video, follow the social medias which are up here, and let's go ahead and get into this video. So for tools and stuff, I just have this tubby. This is from like the James Charles and Morphe collab. Yeah, so it just looks like this, and this is where I keep all of my tools. We're gonna not get that right now. So in here I have my beauty blender. I have my favorite blinged brushes and I will link them down below. I just have some Jeffree Star brushes too, my setting spray, a brush cleaner. This is the Sephora Collection Daily Brush Cleaner. I love this stuff. I also have my face shaver because when you're Persian, you get hairy really quickly. I also have, what's down here? This looks like an Anastasia like brow thing to like define my brows. This is just where I keep all of my main tools and stuff because they do not fit in my actual makeup bag. So moving on to this part, this is the Sephora Collection Pack It All Organizer. I used this in my last one and this is my favorite makeup bag like of all time. It fits so much stuff. So it does have a compartment up here for brushes, but I just feel like it's so much easier to have them sitting upwards, and just putting them back in here, it ruins the bristles and stuff, so I don't keep them in here anymore. So it comes with a little organizer like this, a little Ziploc. In here I keep brow pencils, liners, lip stuff, eyeshadow primers, more lip stuff, eyeshadow glitters. I have my current favorite Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Gel in Dutch. I have this Artist Couture lip color. And yeah, I just keep like all the like these small thin items in here. So they like tend to run like away when they're not in this bag. So that's what I keep in here. So in here we have two compartments. This first compartment is where I keep like my primer, foundation, concealer, and powders. So first up I have the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. I love this stuff. Have the pressed version as well because you never know when you need blocks. I also have some Farsali Mist. This is like my favorite elixir right now. I've got my tinted moisturizers and two primers, and also my favorite foundation, which is NARS Nothing Will Ever Top This Foundation. Even though most of the time I do wear tinted moisturizer, like right now I just have on tinted moisturizer and that is what I do for the most part. But I like to have a little bit more of like a medium coverage foundation when I'm feeling for a medium coverage foundation. So I keep like all the base products in here, and then yeah, nothing too fancy, but it fits like a lot. You would think like for something this small it wouldn't fit that much, but it does. So in the second one that is in there, we have face bronzers, highlighters, blushes, that sort of thing. Things that add more of a dimension to the face. First up we have my favorite Benefit Cheek Leader palette. I actually got my friend Nadine one. I'll show you guys hers right here. I got this for her birthday and she loves it, but I only brought the mini for me. So it just has like a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer, and I just love this palette with all my heart.
I love it too.
Yeah, it's so good. And I also have like the Fenty Beauty bronzer because this one, I don't know. I like to take different ones. I don't always like to use the same product. So I like to take like different multiple ones, obviously. I also have the Milk Makeup Lit Highlighter, my little stick highlighter. I just love cream products, glowy products, natural dewy products, that sort of thing. I've got the Milk Makeup Blaze stick bronzer, which is what I use today as my bronzer, and then I use a little bit of like Benefit Hoola on top of it. I love cream products. I've talked about it many times before. I just love how natural they give, like the look they give you, and I just love how they layer on top of like powders. I've got the Hot DAMN highlighter by Artist Couture, which is like so blinding and so pretty. It's such like a gorgeous gold, and this is actually what I have on my face right now. And my new favorite obsession, it's the Becca Champagne Pop with Jaclyn Hill. I got this in a haul and y'all were like, you've never tried this? And I was like, no, I've literally never tried it and I'm obsessed with it. It's such a pretty, just like light champagne, yet has a gold, oh, it's literally perfect. And then the last two things I have in there is the Too Faced Natural Luster Bronzer. This has been such a beautiful bronzer for an all-over glow. The Fenty one is matte and so is the Hoola one. So I like to have something when I want a little bit more of like a glowier, more natural makeup look, like a no makeup look. So yeah, I've been loving this bronzer and it smells so good too. And I also have the Milk Makeup Rally Cheek and Lip Blush. And this is what I use as like my cream thing. So I do have everything pretty sectioned off in my makeup bag. It's how I just remember to take what I need and that sort of thing. And then at the bottom of the bag is where I keep like my palette. So I have just some eyelashes just in case I tend to wear eyelashes. I normally don't, but just in case, I like to take a couple couple pairs. I also have the Jouer Bouquet d'Amour blush palette because I didn't take a single blush this trip, so I just took this palette. I've been really into this palette instead of like single blushes. And the only eyeshadow palette I brought is the Natural Lust by Too Faced. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette to date. It's just beautiful. Love the color schemes. I love everything. Guys, look at the beach behind you. Do you guys see that? You guys are literally, like, look at the beach. There's you. There's the beach. It's a great view I'm looking at. I really like filming in front of this view. Alright guys, so I know this video was like pretty quick and I hope it just helped you like and showed you what like essentials I take and my favorite organizer. I will list this organizer down below if it's still on Sephora's website. I highly recommend. I love it so much and it's just so good. Let me know down below what your top essentials are for when you are traveling. And I love you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell, like this video, follow the social medias, and hopefully I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye guys.